to start off the session post lunch. And with a very big round of applause, I request all of you to please welcome our first speaker for the session now. Yes, Mr. Mallinath M, CEO, Safe Trader Academy, to please come upon the stage. Can we welcome him with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen?
Good afternoon, everyone. I know it's very difficult to manage after lunch.
We have an amazing speaker amongst us who is all set to start off the session post lunch. And with a very big round of applause, I request all of you to please welcome our first speaker for the session now. Yes, Mr. Mallinath M, CEO, Safe Trader Academy, to please come upon the stage. Can we welcome him with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen?
Good afternoon, everyone. I know it's very difficult to manage after lunch. Okay, this is a big task for trainers basically. So my name is Mallinath. I'm from Safe Trader Academy, CEO and founder of Academy. This is about my introduction. Okay, so before this I was into the IT sector. I used to work in multinational companies in CipherCloud, in Fidelity in Bangalore and IPM. And I started working with other companies, Microsoft in Hyderabad, and moved to Poland for 1 year. Again came back to work with Dell and Quentelly and EPAM, some companies. Then I quit my job, so I started working as a full-time trainer and trader. So I'm into the stock market from last 5 to 6 years. So we have started a company as a private limited, as a startup company. And we have 5 branches in Hyderabad, so 1 in Maharashtra, Nanded, 1 in Karnataka. So we're expanding more fast, okay? So in this rapid industry, we're moving to Vijayawada next month, and 1 branch we're going to open in Pune. So everybody knows that stock market is a very hot cake these days, okay? Let's have some us. I have prepared some of the slides. I hope you like it. Okay, so these are the certifications I have completed so far, 5. These are very tough one to clear. Maybe first one and second are more tough. If people who are working in this industry, they understand it, what is the importance of these certifications. So what weightage it gives. Alright, so everybody knows that. So we have 2 major exchanges, cash market, that is BSE and NSE. Okay, so most of the people trade in NSE, that is Nifty. Okay, so last week I've been to Mumbai. I took this photo my own, then I kept this photo, so just to show that. So there are many exchanges, okay, like this ICMX, MCX, MSE. So there is one government exchange, mostly very less people trade in that, okay. So we are going to take more examples today with respect to BSE and NSE, okay. Very less number of people are making profit. If you know the report, recent report, in Telangana is number 1 in India in making losses. 93% people are making losses in the F&O's category, that too in retailer people. So now to overcome this, we have started an academy where we teach everything from basic to advanced level concept. So now just wanted to get your attention, few points, what has happened in this, okay. So overall South India is now leading also very soon. Of course North India is a very big one. So, okay, these are the number of retail investors coming, okay, state-wise in 2024. Okay, so how many of you know that these are the stocks? I have selected top 10 stocks, okay, all-time favorite, all-time returns they have given, okay. If you see this, Jyoti Tires is a company, is given more than 10 lakh percentage return, okay. Can you check this in last all-time favorite? All-time low is 0.10. 10 paisa, okay, it made high 1818, okay, the current market price is 1327. Likewise, you can check HR Motor, 1 rupee share went to 5,000 plus, now it is trading at 4,800. So this is the power of investing in the stock market and power of investing long term as well, okay. So this is the best example, no? Many of you know, right, your Royal Enfield brand is a brand of HR Motor. The Infosys, that's India's most favorite company, okay, it has given a tremendous return. Many people made profit from this company. It has created many millionaires. Okay, so last 5 years, if I compare the some stocks which are given a big returns in terms of last 5 years. Okay, if you see, Wari Retail is a very recently company, new company, which has given highest number of return. Okay, if you see that in 42,000% is return in 105, and Sabto Sai, this Adhikari, Paspan, this some of these very small stocks, penny stocks, you know, you can give in thousands of percentage in last 1 year. Okay, I just wanted to gain your attention here one more time. So you know, right, there is a DJMS, Dow Jones Industrial Average price. Okay, so which has given best return in this year. Okay, so if I compare two indexes, Indian market and US market, so here US market is given 14%, 4%, and Indian Nifty has given almost now 10% as of yesterday. So now why there is a huge rally in US market is because of election. There was a geographical and more political reason, and there was a huge investors in the US, so it given good return. So this year Nifty was moderate, it was not so bad or not so good. Okay, so compare with Nifty and gold. So gold is everybody's favorite. It's called as a yellow product, yellow metal. So India's everybody's product is, you know, every household loves the gold. See, this year gold has given 25% return alone. Okay, if you had invested in gold more than in stock, you would have got more profit in gold. Okay, so Nifty has given around 10%, where gold has given 26% as of now. It also given high also, more than 33% it is. But today it is now trading little bit down. Alright, if I overall compare with the gold and Nifty last few years, okay, if you see in 2008, only Nifty was given down, minus 53%. And then in 2011 also one time it was down. After that, Nifty has given consistently good return, and compared to gold, this year gold has given more return compared to Nifty. Alright, so now compare. So this is hot cake. Everybody is speaking about this Bitcoin, crypto coins, you know, cryptocurrencies, virtual coins. So how much return has given it is compared to gold? Okay, gold is better or crypto is better? Crypto Bitcoin. So crypto Bitcoin has given 120% return as of yes. You can see oil is trading minus 4% in last 1 year. Okay, and natural gas is 38% is up. It was above 45 also just 2 days back. Now today it is 38% is up still because of war in Ukraine and all, it is affecting this price as well. Okay, so what is market capital of India in the last 10 years? It has grown very much, 4,25,000, 4,25 crore it is. Okay, so now we have total 21 crore demat accounts. Okay, the total number of accounts, but among them there are unique accounts are only 10 crores, 10.5 crores are available unique. Okay, so the active clients 4.48 million. Okay, so now why FI is selling and whereas in DI is buying? Okay, so because of mutual fund investors. These days even small cities people are investing SIP and mutual fund, and you can see huge. Okay, every month we are expecting 25,000 crore rupees is coming in the market, and overall if you see the growth is very good. Okay, so now we have reached almost 70 lakh crore rupees in this end of this month. Okay, the end of this year. Okay, so now many Indian companies, small retailers also investing in stock market. Okay, earlier what used to happen, FII used to sell means market used to get crashed. Now the trend is changing. You can see more aggressively DIA companies and mutual fund investors are investing in many companies. Okay, so now what are the key factors that influence the market? The key factor, if you see, economic, government policy, global trends. Obviously global trend is because of this US election and couple of wars. Okay, now economic growth because of India's GDP is very strong now. GST collection is very high and NPAs are less, and infrastructure, government is investing more in infrastructure. They are getting more small startup companies funding from outside. FDI is getting increased. So we can see coming days that definitely economic growth will continue to the next 4 to 5 years. Okay, so global market trends, depends on sometimes US policies, and domestic is because as I said, in mutual fund investors aggressively investing in Indian market. They are trusting, they are analyzing. Now you can see that many people are showing interest to invest in the stock market because they are able to predict the market now. Before, when if you compare it 5 years before, earlier people used to have no knowledge at all where to invest, when to invest, which company you have to choose. That scenario is getting changed because of technology and infrastructure and internet. Thanks to internet and technologies. Okay, so now some sectors. Okay, if I compare with equity was decent. Okay, equity was decent investment last year, around 20% we got compared to Nifty. Whereas real estate we saw only 4 to 5% return growth, and in some metro cities we got around 5 plus growth. All right, so FD as usual, it's giving people who don't want to take risk and they want only little money, 5%, 6%, they can go for FD. But no, as a trader and investor, we don't go for it. Basically, we invest in the stock market. Okay, but still, people who ultra rich people who don't want to take any risk. Okay, still they're happy with whatever they're getting. They can go for it. 6 to 7% they get. Okay, so now bond market. Actually, bond market this was very good this year because of many companies are investing in India as well as foreign as well. So one more good news is that JP Morgan has included Indian market as one of the gold market. I think by June 2025 we can expect 30 to 40 billion dollar from the bond market itself. Okay, so many ultra rich people and big company institutions, they invest in bonds. Okay, so how many of you know what is FI and DI? How many of you don't know? You can raise otherwise. Okay, FI is a companies of foreign companies, institutional investors who invest in Indian companies. Those are called FIIs who are registered in Indian market. And DI are domestic institutional investment companies to invest in Indian citizens. They are basically Indian citizens. Okay, so basically how it impact these days, it's not impacting much compared to earlier. Whenever earlier what used to happen, if US market started selling, means Indian market goes to fall. These days scenario is getting changed. Okay, you can see that FI is taking place, filling that gap, whereas now global impact, you can see the good market in coming days because of Trump is coming to the power next month. All right, so digitalization, you see hundreds of companies are working on these days, digitalization, fintech companies. You can see the exhibition itself. There are many companies, startup companies working on algorithm trading, automation trading. Many trading concepts are there. Many institutes are coming up. Many trading institutes are coming out, and many trading methods are getting changed. Okay, so AI tools people are using and investing because of this all digitalization and internet. So many innovative things are coming. Okay, so retail investors participation. You can see that more number of retailers are coming, and they're learning their own and they're investing. So Demat's account, we still have only 20 crore, means only 10 crore actually unique accounts. So you can see America investing almost 60 to 70% people are investing in American market. Whereas in India we are only 3 to 4% people are investing. So in coming days it definitely will increase. Once we reach 50%, you can see the domestic market is going to dominate. Alright, so these are the trending sectors where we can look for the investment opportunities in coming days. Okay, technology-based companies. There are some companies they are doing very good. Okay, there are some pharmaceutical companies. They are number 2. We are actually number 2 in the world in terms of pharmaceutical companies. BFSI also very good. We are doing good. And green energy, this is a hot cake. Everybody's are investing in green energy now, whether it is wind or green, solar energy, solar manufacturing companies, they are performing very well. Okay, so what are the challenges? First thing is volatility. Too much volatility because of market is fluctuating. People are not able to catch it properly, maybe, and because of regulatory uncertainty. Because there's too much of taxes. Okay, and there is so much of complexity. There are some restriction on algorithm-based trading, on copy trading. There is no certainty about the Bitcoin or crypto coin, forex trading. There is government is not clear, no policies available, and so many changes are happening. Now you see weekly expiry gone. Okay, so there are many changes happening. Those regulator-related things are happening that will impact the market obviously. So liquidity risk, liquidity risk, you might have seen recently one stock, 2 rupees stock become 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. How many of you seen it? Right? So 2 rupees or 3 rupees stock became 2.5 lakh rupees in overnight. So how did it happen? Many people don't know how it happened. Many people try to buy it. And actually, that is all related to all regulatory issues. Okay, so regulatory issues, and that stock you cannot even buy now because stocks quantity is only 25-30 only. How will you buy it? Right? That is a liquidity issue. If the stocks quantity is less, very difficult to invest or trade in that because of liquidity. So now trends. So despite this, many hurdles, still you can expect market is going to boom in 2025, 26, and we can see Nifty might reach 28, 29. Okay, so start investing on environmental, social governance sectors. These are going to be key factors in coming days. Emerging sectors like electric vehicles and fintech companies. Okay, this is my trading desk where I sit and trade every day. We located in Biramguda, Hyderabad. We have 4 branches. Okay, so this is the approach what the safe trader is coming up with to many new traders and investors across. Why people are making losses. Okay, where Telangana is number 1 in losing, AP is number 2. Okay, Karnataka is number 3, and Tamil Nadu is number 4 in the all South Indian stocks. Even though we are very good at coding and IT sector, but we are still losing money in stock markets. So I don't think so. It's coming days is going to decrease very soon. So what is important to be a successful trader or investor? So what are the things, qualities you need to have? Okay, according to Safe Trader Academy, we have developed this approach. Now we need to have at least 10% to become a full-time trader or investor. You need to know 10% of the stock market, 10% about the company. Technical analysis is required, minimum 90% dominates. Okay, if you don't know technical analysis, you cannot invest. Okay, fundamental only tell whether this industry, sector or stock is good or bad. Technical analysis tell when to buy, when to sell. Fundamental will not tell us when to buy. Even though you are very good at fundamental technical, but still you are very bad at risk management, money management. So then you cannot become a successful trader. That is one of the key. Many people very good at technical and fundamental, but still we don't follow the risk management, money management, and we don't learn from the mistakes what you're doing, and we keep on repeating the same mistakes. No proper mindset. Still, your mind is disturbed. Still, we keep trying and trading every day. Over trading. Many people from 9 o'clock to 3:30 तक रोज करते रहते trading करो buy करो sell करो 5,000 rupees profit 10,000 rupees brokerage. So over confidence. What happens in the stock market? If I make profit 4-5 days continuously, that confidence level increases more. Then I increase my lot size or investment size without. I'll forget risk management, money management. So that overconfidence again dumps us and we make more losses with overconfidence. And many people believe in free tips. Okay, with coming up a Telegram channel or YouTube or Instagram these days, they'll show one reel which is very attractive, showing one example. You try to implement it, definitely it will make a loss. Nothing comes free of cost in this world, you have to remember. So no trading plan. Many people don't know that what is a trading plan, how many times, what time I have to enter in the stock market, how many hours I spend in analysis, what is my technical analysis, what is my psychological analysis. Okay, so mentorship, nobody has mentors or people don't want to have mentorship or don't want to have trading buddy. Trading buddy means, you need to have a friend who can discuss with you, your friend or wife or husband. You can discuss about the trade, whether I can buy it or sell, buy side or sell side. Analysis you need to share with yourself. Assumption, many people assume that because I have purchased this stock, this will go up. Okay, because I have sold this, it will go up. That most of the things we do assume. So assumption doesn't work in the stock market. So loss recovery. So इतने सारे लोग लॉस करके बैठते हैं, लॉस रिकवर करने के चक्कर में और ओवर ट्रेडिंग करके लॉस करते हैं. वो लॉस रिकवर if it is there in your mind, you cannot recover your loss. That should not keep negative thoughts in your mind. So emotions control. 90% of people fail here because we are not able to control our emotion. End of the day, everybody are human being, not exception to me. But how much you make loss, that also depends. Okay, if you maintain the risk management, money management, emotions you can control. Only thing is, if you maintain the stop loss, you can control it. So discipline. So discipline is a main key in the trading. If you are not disciplined, you cannot sustain the market for long term. You may lost for 1 month or 2 months. Again go back home. Again पैसा फिर से जमा करो और लोन ले लो, टॉप अप ले लो, फिर से आओ, फिर से डबो पैसे डालो, फिर से गाओ. ऐसा होता है. You need to have proper discipline in trading. Without discipline, nothing is impossible. Nothing is possible here. So control your greed. You should know when to stop. कितना पैसा चाहिए आज मुझे? कितना? How much money I need today? How much loss I can bear it? So based on that, you can take your trades. Plan your trades. So you compare that. If you keep 1 lakh rupees in bank, how much you can expect? 5 to 6%, 7% hardly you'll get. Whereas in trader, every day you'll get in one trade 10%, 20%, but still people don't stop trading. They expect more return. Overnight they want to become rich, or overnight they want to beat Adani and Ambani in single trade. So now people do revenge trading. If they go loss, they will try to take the revenge trend, opposite trade, so that they can recover the loss from the same trade on same day. So this is where we do lot of mistakes, because once you become emotional, our analysis will not go right. So it might go reverse trade. So people should not try to avoid this revenge trend. And quick money, it's not possible. Everybody thinks that stock market is as a money plant. So don't know when to stop. You should know when to stop, when not to trade. Okay, so no need to trade every day, every time, every hour. Keep on, whenever we are in meeting, people are taking trades. People are in bathroom, still taking trades. People are traveling, taking trades. So that we need to control. That's it. So this is our website. You can, the safetrader.in. You can visit and explore more. We are writing many blogs. Okay, for learning purpose, you can visit. We have 4 branches in Hyderabad, 1 in Amirpet, Nalgandla, and Miapur and Biramguda. That's it from my side. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please. If you have any questions, please raise your questions. I can answer. Anybody has any questions?
Yes, if anyone has a question, we are taking only one question for this session. Or I'm sure sir is always available to take up the questions later as well, isn't it, sir?
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to speak.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. We would like to felicitate you. Please stay back on the stage to felicitate. I request Mrs. Bindu, Marketing Head, D-First Communication, to please come upon the stage and felicitate our speaker, Mr. Mallinath. Can we give him a big round of applause, everyone? Can we give him applause